in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play the C major scale in third position. Of course, I will include the arpeggio for you as well. If you're new here, welcome to Violin with Catherine. I make new helpful videos every week for learning the violin. If you haven't yet checked out my video series on all the scales in the first position, I explain all the hand shapes that I will be talking about today. I also have this video over here where I teach you how to shift from first to third position on the violin. If you haven't learned that yet, make sure you check that out first. The C major scale has no sharps or flats. For our third position scale, we begin with our first finger on the G string to make our bottom C, climbing a tone up to D, a tone up to E with our high third finger right next to the fourth finger for the F natural, continuing on with our first finger on the D string for G, continuing with the hand shape, the high hand shape, 1, 2, high 3 and 4 right next to it for the C in the middle of our scale. Our second octave continues on from the fourth finger C up to the first finger on the A string playing D, E, F and G. Now with our M shape for our second and third finger are together, E to F natural is a semitone. Continuing up on the E string 1, 2 and 3 right next to each other for our top C. So to find our first note, our C, on the G string for this scale, we will play our first finger A, then B, then C with our nice M shape. So we will be shifting our first finger to where our third finger is located in the first position. From here, we will climb up with our high hand shape like this for the first octave, followed by the M hand shape for the second octave. Pattern for the arpeggio for this C major scale in third position is 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 3, 1. To help us get our pitch really accurate in this scale, we can use our first finger to check with the lower string as a nice octave. Of course, we can't do that for our first note. If we played the viola, we would have a C string down below. But for violin, we're already on the lowest string. But as we go up, our first finger is now playing G on the D string, which we can check with our octave G string. Then our first finger on the A string plays D, checking with the open D string for a nice octave, and open A matches the first finger A on the E string. Sometimes I do actually get students to practice just shifting across like this, as a common troublesome point for some students is as they go across the string, the first finger sometimes goes down or upwards rather than straight across. Thanks for joining me for this video today. I hope it helped you out. Please let me know in the comments below. If you find these videos really helpful, you can support me on Patreon or on Ko-fi. Also, make sure you're subscribed and hit the like button down below, and I'll see you next time.